Students, continuing with the exercise 4.3 word problems. Now on the board we have question number 13. Let's understand this question. Area of a rectangular park. Moment you come across with this word rectangular park means the question deals with a rectangle. Question deals with a rectangle. So before starting with this question, I'll give you a note. Basic properties about rectangle. Let us say that if I have a rectangle, this is a rectangle. Okay. Let us say this bigger side is length, denoted by L. Of course, the opposite sides are equal, and this is the width, also called as breadth. Opposite sides are equal. Now, how to find the area? Area of the rectangle. In short form, I write RECT. Capital A means area. Area of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. Okay. Area of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. This is the formula for finding out the area of rectangle. Okay. And you should also know the perimeter formula. Perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter denoted by P. What do you mean by perimeter? Perimeter means sum of all sides. Addition of all sides. Length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. Adding all the sides. So L plus L becomes 2L and B plus B becomes 2B, and all sides are added. You can also remember like this, if we remove 2 common, this becomes L plus B. 2 common, so L plus B. Either you can remember this formula or this formula. So please pause the video and copy this note. Students, now continuing with this question. The question on the board. The area of rectangular park is, the area of rectangular park is 183 upon 5 meters square. Area is given to us. In the solution part, I'll write area of a rectangle is equal to 183 upon 5 meters square. Find the breadth. Find the breadth. For the ease of solution, you can always draw a small rectangle. It's not compulsory. See, area is given to us. Area, we know. Area for area. Area is 183 upon 5 meters square. Find the breadth. If we say this is my breadth. If the length is 56 upon 3, length is given to us. Length, L for length. Length is how much? 56 upon 3 meters. So students, here we don't need to find area. Area is given to us and length is given to us. We need to find this breadth. The biggest part given to us on the board is the area. And of course the length. So I'll write the length also. Length denoted by small l is 56 upon 3 meters. Okay. Now I'll start with the actual part. I'll just use the formula. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is what? Length multiplied by breadth. Students, do I know the value of this area of rectangle? Yes, it's here. 183 upon 5. 183 upon 5 is equal to, at the place of length, what can I put? It's 56 upon 3. Multiply by this B will remain B as it is, the breadth. Okay, therefore, now students, please pay attention. I can say majority of you will go wrong over here. What you all will do? You will say that 56 upon 3 will come on the left hand side. So it will be minused. Subtract it. No. Here we have multiplication. If at all here we had plus or minus, then this 56 upon 3 will come here. And it would be subtracted. But here I have multiplication. So here this 56 upon 3 will not come here and be subtracted. This 56 upon 3 will go in the denominator of this 183 upon 5. See, this is like A is equal to B multiplied by X. I want to find X. So B will go down. So it will be A upon B is equal to X. If I want to find X, I'll keep X here only. I'll send B down on the left hand side. Similarly, 56 upon 3 will go down below 183 upon 5. So 183 upon 5 whole upon 56 upon 3 is equal to B. Understanding? Okay. Now it's a division here. Now we all know that division can be solved by how? Just by converting the division into multiplication. 183 upon 5, instead of division I am writing multiplication, so the fraction below will be reciprocated. 183 upon 5 I wrote as it is. At the place of division I wrote multiplication, so this will be reciprocated. I will not write 56 upon 3, I will write 3 upon 56 is equal to B. Hope you all are understanding, students. So now can we do any cancellation? 18 plus 3 is 21. This 183 goes in 3, but 5 plus 6 is 11. It is not going in 3. So we cannot do any cancellation. Therefore B is equal to, we just have to multiply. 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24, carry 2, 3 1s are 3, 4 5. 549 upon 5 6s are 30, carry 3, 5 5 are 25 plus 3, 28. And meters, if you don't write meters over here, your 1 mark will be deducted. So value of B, breadth, is how much? 549 upon 280. Now students, I would request you, if you will keep the answer as it is over here also, you will get full marks. But don't keep the answer in this manner. You should know how to convert into mixed fraction. So see how I am converting this 549 upon 280 into mixed fraction. Of course, if you do up till here also, you will get full marks, but I am showing you how to convert this into a mixed fraction. Okay, let's do, I am erasing this right hand side. You can pause the video. Okay, here I am teaching you how to do the convert this into mixed fraction. Okay, 549 is divided by 280. 280 2s becomes 560. 280 multiplied by 2 becomes 560. It is more greater than 549. So I will not do 280 2s. 280 1s is 280. 9 minus 0 9. 5 cancelled. Remaining 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 8 is how much? 6. 4 minus 2 is 2. So I am remain with 269. So now this 269 is smaller than 280. So if at all I want to proceed further, I need to introduce a decimal point. But I will not do that because I am converting into mixed fraction. So what should I do? This 269 is my remainder, right? So how to write? B is equal to, always this 280, the denominator will remain as it is denominated, 280. What was the divisor? Divisor was 280. So I kept this divided at the denominator divisor 280 as it is. Okay. Now what is a quotient? This is a quotient Q. So this one will be copied here, and remainder is always copied in the numerator. So 269 meters. So you should know how to convert into mixed fraction. So it's 269 upon 280 meters. Students, the next question on the board is question number 11. In construction of a road of length 35 kilometer, so there is a construction going on. In construction of a road of length 35 kilometer, so there is a construction going on, and we need to construct a road of 35 kilometers. Okay, comma, contractor, the person who is constructing the road, contractor, completed 17 upon 8 kilometers in the first stage. As we all know, if we have to construct a long road, we don't construct the whole road at a one single shot. There are stages. Okay, first stage, then we have second stage, and then third stage sometime, and then we reach to the completion. Okay, let's read once again. In the construction of a road of length 35 kilometer, total length of the road or total road to be constructed is 35 kilometer. Contractor completed 17 upon 8 kilometer in the first stage. Okay, good. Contractor completed the first stage, and in the first stage he constructed 17 upon 8 kilometer. Beautiful. Next, and in the second stage he constructed how much? 35 upon 8 kilometer. Great. So constructor also completed his second stage also. In the first stage he completed 17 upon 8 kilometers. In the second stage he completed 35 upon 8 kilometers. Okay. Now what is asked? What is the length of remaining part of the road to be constructed? Okay, now how much part is remaining? Remaining for what? Remaining for what? Remaining to accomplish a task, a aim of construction of 35 kilometers. This is important. Remaining for what? Remaining to complete 35 kilometers. Okay. First stage he completed 17 upon 8. Second stage he completed 35 upon 8. The aim of the constructor is to complete 35 kilometers. Now how much is remaining to reach up till 35 kilometers? It's very simple. Now solution. First let's list down the data what is given. Road to be constructed. Road to be constructed is how much? 35 kilometers. Okay. Next, let's write about the first part. Completed in first stage. Completed in first stage. How much? It's given 17 upon 8 kilometers. Completed in second stage. How much? 35 upon 8 kilometers. What is asked? Find the remaining part of the road to be constructed so that to reach up till 35 kilometers. So we need to find the remaining part. Remaining part to be constructed. What is our aim? Our aim is to accomplish 35 kilometers. Our aim is to reach 35 kilometers. Can I say, students, if we need to find the amount of road yet to be completed or amount of road not constructed by the constructor, so can I say I just have to add these two values? Because in the first stage he completed this, in the second stage he completed this. I need to add this both the values and I will subtract their answer, addition the answer from 35, and whatever I get, the remaining part is the road yet needed to be completed, because total we need to complete 35. Up till now 35 kilometers has not been completed. Up till now this both parts have been completed. So I'll just add this. I'll add the work completed in first stage, I'll add the work completed in the second stage, I'll add this two work which is completed, and I'll subtract the answer received by the addition from 35. So I'll get the value, the difference which is yet to be completed. So can I say 35 minus 17 upon 8? 35 is the aim. From that I minus 17 upon 8 because 17 upon 8 is already completed. Minus 35 upon 8. Why? Because 35 upon 8 is already completed. We need to find the remaining part which is not yet completed. 35 minus 17 upon 8 minus 35 upon 8. There are various methods. As you are comfortable, you can proceed. According to me, the best method is where there is no one, there is always one. Here it is 1. I will multiply numerator with 8 and denominator with 8. And the idea is just to make all the denominators same. That's it. So I'll write 8 over here. 8 5s is 40. Carry over 4. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 4 is 28. 280 minus 17 minus 35. Great. 280 is positive as it is. Minus minus becomes plus. Sign of bigger number is minus. So 5 plus 7 is 12. Carry 1. 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 1 5. 52 upon 8. Now we need to deduct 52 from 280. It will be 228 is equal to 228 upon 8. 2 4s are 2 1s are 1s are 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 5s are 10. 2 7s are 14. So what is the final value we get? 57 upon 2. Of course, kilometers. Students, once again I repeat, I was not having place. You will go one below another vertically. This will come below it. So the road yet to be constructed or remaining part to be constructed is 57 upon 2 kilometers. Okay. You can even give in the decimal answer in the decimal point or in the mixed fraction. But if you write in this form also, it's correct. Pause the video please and start doing it.